Alright, YouTube, back at another one today. What we got here is a portable blender that I seen online on Amazon. It's a pretty good blender. I've been using it for a while. I was intending to use it for the unboxing, but had been wanting to use it, so I've been using it, and it's a really good blender. So today, I think we should do a video showing, how the blender works and all that, and you can make the decision for yourself whether you want to get the blender for yourself. If you're new to the channel, I test out gadgets, different things like that, try to see if it's good or not, and if it's good, I'll tell you guys. If it's not, I'm gonna tell you guys either way. So sit back, enjoy. We're gonna make a little snack right quick for myself, and yeah, we're going from there. But as you can see, you got the box right here. It's a portable blender. You got the specs right here, your battery size, stuff like that, model. It's a colorful box, nice. Tells you what you get in. You get a convenience drink at the top, which you can see. The Blaze with 6 LED lights. It's a 600 milliliter capacity, and it got a bottom lid as well, which I don't ever use it because I don't ever take it apart for that part. But it is what it is. And then, but as you can see, it comes. I gotta get off this table because that table got the camera on it. As you can see, it comes in 2 parts. You got the bottom part which you can charge up, and then you got the lid and the cup and all that which comes apart, which I'll show you in the video once I get everything together and show you, go from there. So let's make us a snack right quick and show you how it works. Alright, so I got a few items together just to make a little strawberry milkshake, smoothie type of thing. So I got some vanilla ice cream, some whole strawberries, because the strawberry situation going on in the United States. A little bit of vanilla extract, some sugar, and like I said, milk at the top. So I like to put the little, vanilla on in there. Now I try to melt it down a little bit so that way, it can easily slide on in. Just drop it on in, don't have no issue. Boom, there you go. See the ice cream that went on in? I always try to do 2 or 3 vanilla ice cream, but I forgot to get some vanilla ice cream yesterday, cups. So we're gonna just do 2 today. Don't put the other one in there. Boom. There you go. Get that on out the way. Don't want to melt on the table. Then I'll try to get me a little handful of. Now I ain't gonna give you measurements because I ain't the best cook, but I can cook some things. But you know what I mean. So I ain't gonna give you the measurements, but I'm just gonna say, get your little handful of strawberries. Put your few in there. If I can ever get the bag open. Get your few handful of, and you don't even have to chop these up. You can put them in there straight like it is. You get you about a few strawberries. I'm gonna go wash them off right quick. So y'all hold on quick, real tight. As you can hear me washing it off in the background. I like to wash my hands off because it just makes sense to wash stuff. You might not have to wash it, but I just prefer to wash it. There should be another about 4 or 5 strawberries whole. If you do some sliced ones, then it might be a little different story. Let me not shake the camera too much. Forgive me if the camera shake too much. I know we got a little vanilla ice cream in it, but I still put a little vanilla extract. I don't put a whole lot. Just enough. Make sure that vanilla gets through. And I don't put a whole lot of sugar in here as well either. Try to put a little amount of sugar in here. As you can see, I might do it overboard just because I'm trying to do it on camera and stuff. Alright, that's enough. I don't even need that much. I think I poured a little too much that time. But we'll be alright. And then last but not least will be the Mr. Milk. Now, I like Borden's milk. Other people like regular milk. They just get the regular one. I like the Borden. A lot of people like almond milk. You can prefer whatever milk you want. At the end of the day, it's your preference. Get it on up there to the top. Again, the camera gonna shake because I'm putting stuff over here on the table as well. And then we're gonna put the lid on and screw it on up. Now, of course, I like to put it to the side just to make sure everything gets chopped up. As you can see, it's chopping up no problem. You got 2 different modes on here to chop stuff up. You got the one that you single push that will automatically chop for you. As you can see, closed top, everything closed. Got the little latch right here. If you want to feel extra secure, my bad. You got that mode, and it tells you the charge at the bottom with the LED. As you can see, it went red because that's how much it juice. And you can double press it, and it turns to yellow mode. And you can press and hold it yourself. If you feel like you need to chop it up a little more, you know. And then when you feel like everything good, it'll cut off on its own after a few seconds not holding it. Yep, and there you go. It might blink another one because it just used it. I doubt it. Okay, and there you go. Easy, quick, no issue. So let's take this top off, see what we working with here. Look at that. That looks good, though. You can't tell me that don't look good. It's a strawberry smoothie shake. Easy to drink. Let me take a sip of that right quick. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that hit the spot right now. That definitely hit the spot. Okay. As you see, everything crushed in. No issues. I mean, you see the strawberry to change the color. It's pink. Now it's not, you know. But it did chop everything up. I mean, it literally chopped everything up. There's nothing in at the bottom. Now, you might get some chunks here and there, but as you can see, it chopped everything up. Easy, you know, easy. So, all in all, I say the Versetta milkshake works. I mean, Versetta blender works really well. And I'm going to show you on Amazon real quick of where you can get it on Amazon. And other than that, we'll end the video from there. So, catch that part and then, you know, go from there. Alright, so here go the blender that we were just using. As you've seen with me making the little strawberry smoothie. Still over here enjoying it. $29.88. And you get 10% off. Hey, you can't beat that. Portable blender. Makes shakes. Got 6 blades. 20 ounces. Rechargeable, as you know, with the charging port in the front. And it got LEDs going around the bottom. Put ice and stuff in it. You can make your facial masks, vegetables and stuff, baby's food, milkshakes. If you actually make more of a shake consistency than what I had. I mean, it's still a shake, but it's not a complete shake. I need to put some ice in it. If I would put a little ice in it, then yeah. Which I had ice made, but it is what it is. Frozen juice and, you know, other small stuff. Blender, you can be taking with you on the go. Got a little handle on it, you know. As you see, she got the bottom piece at right there if you want to take it on the go. Now, how do you take... You will have to sit here and transfer the drink that's in there to another cup, then for you to take that and put the bottom piece on, then you pour it back into the blender. Once you take the top off, then you can take the blender top with you on the go. I think that part is a waste of time, but I mean, it's there. As you can see, it's convenient if you don't want to take, especially you can't take a glass on the go, but you can take that on the go because you got a little strap, stuff like that. So I mean, it makes sense for that, but the way you got to do that, you got to pour it out, pour it back in. That's a little inconvenience. So I would rather just take the whole bottom part with me. I mean, I know it's heavy, but the blades might be a little heavy, but I would just take it like it is instead of trying to do all that. That's a little too, I mean, it's there. You have the bottom piece. It's convenient, but yeah, I would see how he got his on the go with the bottom piece. I would just do the same. So, but either way, and you do have different colors. You got blue, green, pink, and the white one that I picked up because at the time when I bought it, the white one was the only one they had. So now they got all the other colors. Of course, you see the blue is a little higher, but you still probably get to discount off any Amazon Prime. So. And it's a pretty good blender as well. It also has pretty good reviews on it. I like it. Now you can chop up your fruit if you want to, but it's actually as powerful where you really don't have to chop it up at all. So I mean, as you can see, they put their whole fruit in there. It tells you when how you lock it in place. You pull it, turn it, lock it in place. When fully charged, 25 cups of juice and can be completed. That is not true. I'm not gonna sit there and say 25 cups. You can make 5, maybe 6 cups of things. I don't know if it's because it's pulling more energy because it's chopping up the strawberries or something, but 25 cups is a little bit of a stretch for a full charge. But it's still a good blender. But yeah, but you also have other blender options. But I just chose this one, seeing it was a good price, seeing good reviews on it. and I actually like it. So you might like it if you need a blender yourself. You might like it. Try it out. It also comes with 10% off. Boom, you got 10% off on it. So there you go. I'm also put the link in the video for this, so in case you want to get it or just to look at it yourself. Never know. But it's gonna end the video. And as always, guys, hope you have a good day. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Peace.